Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Discord. So I'm going to show you various ways on how you can add friends on Discord. So first, when you're in a server. Friends, you can see you are currently on a server, and on the right corner or the right side of your screen, you can see the members, or you could click on this show member list on the top right hand corner. And you'll see the members in the server, and you could just click on that member and view their profile right here. After that, you could then send a friend request. Just click on that, and the friend request will be sent. Or another way is go to here on this Discord logo on the top left corner here. And you could click on add friend here on the top edge or top side of your screen and put their Discord username. So the Discord username is like this one. So the username and tag right here. So just go put their Discord username here and you'll be good to go. And after that, you could see your pending friend requests. When someone adds you, you'll see it here that there will be pending friend requests here, and you could just accept it. And you could see all your friends here at the all section and your online friends on the online section. So that's all, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.